Yung how to shake your booty.
How to shake your booty?
Oo. Paano ba yun?
Gosh.
Paano gusto pa niyang matuto? Mahina. Did not deserve.
Walang energy.
Walang energy.
Yun.
Come on, guys. You guys want to learn how to shake your booty?
Yes. Yung pwede bang kasample mo na kayo?
Siyempre, yes, pero mahina.
Makita mo yung energy na lang. Maybe later.
Yeah.
You have a lot of prizes.
That's right. That's right.
And I think mas magkakaroon sila ng energy pag nalaman nila yung mga prizes natin, diba?
That is right. Well, you cannot miss the beautiful 2014 Ford Explorer there at the back.
Our grand prize.
Now, for those who have bought tickets and pakiramdam nyo, bitin, baka hindi manalo, and you want to increase your chance of winning,
Yes.
you can still buy more tickets.
It's better.
Pwede pa until the end of before we draw the grand prize, they can still buy their tickets.
Better late than never, diba?
That's